Cardano was created to be the Ethereum killer. The question is, can it do it? Evidently, Cardano is now one of the blockchain assets that is expanding at one of the most rapid rates throughout the whole cryptocurrency industry. Since its inception in 2015, Cardano has maintained a position in the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies, as measured by market capitalization, and has garnered a significant amount of attention. Its technology is advancing rapidly, and it plans to compete with Ethereum in the process of building a substantial blockchain ecosystem. So, what is Cardano, and will it ever outgrow Ethereum? Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain that aims to be more efficient than proof-of-work networks. Its native token is named ADA. This is in remembrance of Augusta Ada King, Countess and Lovelace, who was generally regarded as the first person to write computer code. This token is awarded to users who take part in a stake pool as compensation for their contributions to the blockchain. Charles Hoskinson, who is also one of the founders of Ethereum, began to work on Cardano in 2015, and the platform was made available to the public in 2017. Without a doubt, Cardano has already proven itself to be a viable alternative to Ethereum. Both of these systems intend to build a decentralized and connected network, and they may be employed for similar purposes, such as smart contracts. Cardano considers itself an improved version of Ethereum because its platform is referred to as a third generation, in contrast to Ethereum's second generation moniker. The goal of the blockchain platform is to provide access to financial services for individuals who want to use the alternative of a bank account. But can they do it? Well, it's a decentralized platform that is powered by the Ouroboros consensus system. Ouroboros is the name of the first proof-of-stake protocol that was designed in order to minimize the energy consumption that is connected with proof-of-work mining. Cardano developed this protocol during the foundation era of cryptocurrency. This is accomplished by reducing the algorithm's substantial reliance on computing power, which is required for the proof of work. But what exactly is staking? How does it work? To the crypto newbies, staking is what determines whether or not a node in Cardano's proof-of-stake system is able to open blocks on the blockchain. The total amount of ADA a node will possess over its lifetime is referred to as its stake. A participant in a pool who holds an ownership interest in the pool's assets and who's committed and secured those assets with ADA has a stake. However, staked ADA cannot be spent or used by the bearer because it is being held as security for the truthful validation behavior. The good thing is users who have made an ADA commitment are eligible to receive transaction fees as a reward. The amount of ADA a user has wagered is taken into account when determining how much of a reward they get. Users are able to participate in updating the ledger, unlocking new blocks, and receiving rewards by joining staking pools, which are groups of ADA owners who have pledged their coins. Now, Cardano employs the proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, in which users stake a coin in exchange for the chance to become a validator. Users have two different options available to them in order to participate in the staking and validation process. You have the choice of running a stake pool or owning one yourself. The responsibility of trusted server nodes that are organized into stake pools is verifying transactions. The stake pool owner is a participant in a pool who has ADA allocated to their account. You have the option of creating your own personal stake pool or inviting others to join your existing one. A trustworthy person is selected to take the role of stake pool operator. This person is accountable for renting servers, monitoring the node, storing the pool key, and doing a variety of other administrative tasks related to the pool. And with the release of the Alonzo update in 2021, Cardano implemented support for smart contracts. This upgrading to the testnet was the first step in providing users with the scalable use case and the functionality that had been promised. Users were now able to design non-fungible coins and smart contracts and manage a multitude of assets. The mainnet will get upgrades in the form of new releases and forks that will bring them smart contracts and more capabilities. But what exactly makes Cardano unique? Well, the Cardano platform was constructed and validated from the group of engineers and academic specialists with expertise in blockchain technology and cryptography, something that is given significant thought and consideration by the platform. It is a completely open source project with a strong emphasis on sustainability, scalability, and transparency that aims to create an infrastructure that is inclusive, equitable, and robust for financial and social applications on a global scale. It was developed with the goal of providing an increased level of protection for its users using Haskell. It's a functionable programming language, making it possible to build systems by using only pure functions. This results in a design that can have its components readily tested individually. Moreover, due to the tremendous capabilities of Haskell, Cardano is able to test complex programming in a short amount of time before it is deployed. In a nutshell, the blockchain's overreaching goal is to serve as a rock-solid and foolproof base upon which developers of decentralized applications may build their products, or dApps. Cardano is primarily concerned with the development of solutions that are sustainable, scalable, and interoperable in nature. In terms of scalability, Cardano Ledger is able to process a large number of transactions without negatively impacting the performance of the network. They are also working toward the launch of Hydra, a feature that will provide users the ability to set up many sidechains, and is already in the process of putting a number of solutions into action, such as data compression, for example. They also intend to create the most multifunctional environment for financial, corporate, or commercial activity by enabling users to communicate with a single form of currency and several currencies that exist on different blockchains. In addition, it is essential to ensure that the system is compatible with centralized financial institutions in order to guarantee its legality and usage. The implementation of blockchain also makes it essential to ensure that the system can maintain itself. Cardano is designed to make it possible for the community to maintain its continuing development through participation, proposals for improving the system, and execution of those suggestions. So, what is the future for Cardano? Cardano hopes to acquire additional capabilities as it enters the age of scalability and optimization known as Basho, which was scheduled and has already begun in late August 2022. The next phase of development for Cardano, known as Voltaire, aims to integrate voting and treasury management into the network and blockchain. This will be accomplished by enhancing the capabilities of smart contracts that were already available. Unlike Bitcoin, whose primary purpose of the Bitcoin network is to facilitate payments made directly between users, Cardano, it's an ecosystem that makes it possible for other developers to construct scalable blockchain networks, tokens, decentralized applications, and other types of use cases. And as we mentioned earlier, instead of rewarding ADA in a competitive mining process similar to that of Bitcoin, Cardano uses proof of stake for its consensus mechanism. This results in the reduction in the energy and waste footprints, as mining-specific computers do not require a significant amount of electricity to function. Without a doubt, it's quite an interesting and innovative project. So far, the value of the ADA coin has a tendency to follow the general direction of the cryptocurrency market, increasing during the rallies in late 2017 and early 2021, and declining during more general sell-offs. The Alonzo hard fork, which added smart contracts to the blockchain, was scheduled for September 2, 2021. Therefore, anticipation was strong when the ADA price reached an all-time high of $3.10 on that day. Following the debut, developers set up over 100 smart contracts. But as the chart demonstrates, the ADA token fell in value and was excluded from the November crypto surge that sent the two biggest currencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, to new highs. But with time, investors believe it will reach a new all-time high, although we don't know when. Anyway, what do you think about Cardano? Do you think it will ever measure the value of Ethereum? Comment below. Let's engage. Also, please leave a like and subscribe for more interesting crypto-related content. See you guys in the next video.